Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. Today I do have a car which is a Morgan Super 3. It is factory fresh car and it is a 2025 new edition. So I am actually excited for opening this and unbox this casting. Are you guys with me? Yes, you guys are. So shall we start? Yes, we can. So as I am saying, it is a part of factory fish, which is 1 out of 5, and it is a new edition of 2025, and its name is Morgan Super 3. I have bought this at MRP. Okay, so and it is part of 15. It is a 15 of 250 all total. And as you can see here, it is the MRP is 179, and the card art is looking amazing. Lot of people thinks ki it is a fantasy card, but that's not true. It is a real card. You can check out on YouTube also. It is a part of a new casting, and it is a actual real life card, Morgan 3. So let's unbox this casting. So let's unbox this card. So this car is actually very good looking, not gonna lie, but it's look like a tricycle to me actually. And it is also, some people also say it's a tricycle, but it's actually as it is actually a car. To be very honest, it's a tri car, you can say, and tri-wheel car it is a, and the car livery is pretty good actually. The sea green and the chrome blue, it's actually very good casting, and it is not so heavy. It is maybe 2.8 gram or 2.9 gram, something like that. So you can say it is a little light. Let me zoom it. So as you can see here, the car, and this is the headlights. The black is a black finishing with headlights. These things are the wheels of this car, and here it is another, as you can see here. Let me brighten up. I hope you guys able to see it. Here it is. So yes, it is, this is the another, this is the wheel, third wheel, and these two are the wheel. The black combination and sea green color and the chrome blue color, it's also looking very good. Personally, I like this car. Because of that reason I bought this. At first I was one of them who actually thinking, who is actually thinking it is a fantasy card, but no, after knowing that, I bought this card, and yes, it is actually looking very good. If you guys are getting this car at MRP, I will suggest you guys can collect this car. As a collector, it is actually appealing very, and yes, I do like this casting. If you guys want to rate me this car, I will rate this, it is a 3.5 out of 5. I mean, not so very good or not so very bad. It's a decent casting. So because of that reason, I am rating this as a 3.5 out of 5. If you are guys, again I am saying, if you are guys getting it at MRP, I will suggest to collect it. Otherwise you guys can skip this card also. So yes, for today, this is a wrap up. If you guys like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. That's why by doing this, it will boost my YouTube channel. Also, hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Thumbs up.